Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I am discussing on MySQL, a database management software, which is a package of VM server, and it is easy to connect from PHP. So today I want to discuss on MySQL, and it is creating a database with the help of I will show the with the help of Phpmyadmin first, and then I go to the PHPMySQL console. This is Phpmyadmin. It is the VM server icon where I click here and go to the Phpmyadmin here and click on this and open the Phpmyadmin dashboard. This is the dashboard of Phpmyadmin, and I go to database to create database in MySQL, and for new database I will create this option where new database is can be created, or I click on this home button and then go to the create option. Suppose I create data library database, so name is library, and this is create option here. Just I want to create, and this is character format UTF-8, and this command will create the database. Here the command is executed, which is the command given here is create database name and colon, and it is created. Now suppose I want to create a table on this library database, then here option is here given. It is already selected option, so I will give the table name book underscore details. So number of fields, suppose I want to add 3 or 4 fields here, I can give here this 4 number of field of the table. Click on grow to create the table. Yes, it is suggesting the field name with the data types here, then length of these values. So it can I can assign the name, suppose book ID, my first data types in type, so it is suppose I assign this 6-digit number, and default value is none, and more option is there, collision, attributes, and null value allowed. Yes, you can assign it indexing. These are the options here. So suppose this is book ID, next is book name underscore name. This is suppose these are the data types mainly, that is character types and text types, large text types, and I can assign varchar with the size of suppose 50 character of size. And next book price, so price, so suppose this is a float type, this is decimal is or float or double. There is the position of precision after decimal point is here given is the more flexible, where the option is selected decimal, then the larger is float, then larger is double. So this can be selected, and it is already by default it will take the size of this float. Next, suppose date underscore process. This is the basic formation of data types and selecting fields. So that type is here, and I go to click on go or save. There will be go option. Yes, go is here to execute the option is here. It is created. I try to save. I can give the save. Yes, it is shown the execution of has been created. Create table library dot book details, book ID, book name, varchar, book price, date of underscore process, date type, and this is the engine of option. This is created. So you see the structure here. This is the structure of this table. This field name is given, details of this. Now second thing is I can insert the field with this also. Go to insert. This option is given here to insert the values. See here, suppose B001. I have given numeric, so suppose 1001 ID. Suppose English dictionary, and price is 100. Date of process is suppose given here 17, 16 suppose. This is, and I can save it, so it can go command. This command is also insert command here, insert into. This is table name. Field name is book ID, book name, book price, and date of price, and values are 1001. This will quote, and this is created. So inserted the values, and if I want to see these values, click on the table. See here, the data is here 1001, book name, book price. And if you want to insert more data, more field, then click on this insert, and 102, suppose Hindi Academy. Suppose price is 200, and date can be inserted as from this 17, and go is here, and more values can be inserted during this field also. 1003. So this is sports cricket. Suppose price is 200, date is here, suppose that is it, go. So you see both the values are inserted here, because they are given here the message is 2 rows inserted, and see the values from here, book details. Yes, these are the data inserted. And if you want to delete something rows here from this table, select this value and go to the delete button here, and delete. Do you really want to, in one message is here, yes, I want to delete this. So the delete query will be executed here. This is delete from table name, this where book details and book ID is this. So that is all on the basic of Phpmyadmin and the database creation and table creation. Thanks for viewing this video, and I will give you more videos in next session on the Phpmyadmin and MySQL database management. Thank you.